Crafters, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my room, which is actually a huge mess right now. And wait till you see it. It's really a huge mess. I don't know how I'm gonna clean this up, but to all you newcomers here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you dislike it. Without further ado, let's get started. May have seen, it is quite a mess actually. Yeah, it's quite a mess. Let's just go full circle here. It's quite a mess, so I'm just gonna start with doing my bed first because I think you should just start with the bed, and then I'll move on to my desk over here, and then maybe I may organize my cupboard, followed by doing my bookshelf here, which is also quite messy. My whole room is messy anyways. So let's get started. So I've taken everything off of the shelves, so now it's empty and they're all here on the ground. So I'm just gonna organize this for a little bit because I have a clear or a blank canvas to work on. So there's quite a variation of stuff here, if I must say. So I'm just gonna sort that out in time lapse, come back to you guys, place it all again, and then move on to the next section. Sorted it out. I know it may still look messy because the truth is it is still messy, but this is better than before. Okay, so here we have the cosmetic stuff, which I will reorganize once I put it back. And then here we have kind of like the gadgets and books. It's a mess, I know, still. And then here we have more like jewelry and like getting ready and stuff like that. So I'm going to reorganize this, put it back on the shelf. So we're actually done. I'm not going to show you how it looks like yet because that will be for the end of this video once I'm done with everything. But now we're going to move on to doing the desk, as you can see in all its glory. It's super messy, so I'm just gonna clean up some stuff and time-lapse this once again. Let's go. Something hack, I guess. I'm gonna just teach you this really simple trick, which I believe it's just super easy, and maybe some of you guys already know it. But you just take a tissue box and you just cut through the top, and that's it. Like, you literally just cut through the top and you'll get an So I've finally successfully cleared my table of all the junk. Can you look at that? It's finally a clear table. So if you're wondering where some of the other items go, because some of the stuff is not on the table, it obviously went into the drawers here, and also this cabinet here. So I'm would probably make these in a separate video because I would like to show you guys some other stuff on how to organize your things, or just me organizing my drawers separately. So now Hold on. We're gonna clear this first, okay? Alright, success, it's cleared. So I have this right here, which is a newspaper bin liner, which if you guys are interested, I could show you how to make this, but it's really simple. Just search it up on the internet. You can find anything these days. So just gonna reline my bin. That's it. Alright, and now we're gonna work on this shelf. Plus whatever is on top, which is now gotten even messier. So, let's go. So, I'm finally done cleaning my room, and as you can see, it's much cleaner, or maybe you feel like it still looks the same, then my efforts are wasted. But there's definitely a lot more room to walk around now. Definitely, because it was a disaster before this. So I'm going to give you guys a small mini room tour right now. I will not go in depth. I'll just kind of show you guys the transformation from earlier to now after cleaning and what it looks like. And if you guys would like an actual room tour, comment that down below as a suggestion and I may just do it. So without further ado, let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, and I'll see you guys next time.